Hey guys, welcome to my first car review. And today we got a special one for you guys. We got a 2019 Chevrolet Equinox LT. So without any further ado, let's get right into the driving. So guys, this is the 2019 Chevrolet Equinox in Ivy Metallic. Now this engine is the same engine that's in the Cruze, the 1.5 liter turbo with a slightly bigger turbo on it, making about 170 horsepower and just over 200 foot-pounds of torque. Model, which is the LT, comes with 17-inch aluminum rims, and this model too comes with the all-wheel drive option. Transmission is a 6-speed automatic, and the weight is just over 3,700 pounds, so you know, not the lightest, but for an SUV it's still pretty good. Now with that little bit of information out of the way, let's just continue driving. So these corners here, guys, you can imagine, as you can see coming up here, very snow covered corners. And the all-wheel drive in this thing just pushes right through it. Like I'm doing the speed limit now and I have no issue, just grips right up and goes. Now the first thing you'll notice when you get inside this vehicle and you start driving it, it's a very comfortable, smooth ride. Like I'd have no issue driving this every day. And these seats have like this hexagonal pattern, very comfortable. You have no issue sitting in these for a couple hours if you were to go on a road trip or something. Now obviously due to the road conditions, I can't really get into the power to test if the 170 horsepower is underwhelming or not, because I've seen both sides. I've seen people who say it's plenty for this car, it's a daily, it's not a race car, right? But then I've seen people who are also like, they like a little more power to get up and going. These roads look pretty clear. Might get on a little bit here. Okay, let's see. And 100. Not bad. The first thing I notice is the acceleration could definitely be a little better, but it's more of a momentum vehicle. Once you start going, it continues speed pretty well. Like I said, the all-wheel drive in this thing is absolutely amazing. Snow covered roads like this are just no match. Like I said, this thing does come equipped with all-wheel drive, and you can see snow covered roads like this, absolutely nothing, eats it right up. Beautiful drive for the winter, beautiful winter vehicle. Now these roads are really bad. I'd like to test out the handling and see how she really handles taking corners through the snow at regular speeds. And coming up to a corner, to go 50 and slow down, take the corner. Wow. Whoa. Okay guys, really not expecting it to grip up that good. As you see in the video, the rear end slid a little bit, and then the all-wheel drive, the front wheel started spinning, kicked in, bam. And lastly, we'll do a little braking test here. We'll get up to regular speeds, 50. And wow, not bad. Not bad at all. Definitely some real good ABS in this thing, because I just brake normally and it pulled me right to a stop. That was crazy. Of course, you guys already know we have to end the video with a little poll here. So you guys, if you guys enjoyed, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Here we go. Woo! Not bad. Not bad for an SUV, man. Not bad at all.